Alright, so this is how you want your birds to react when you bring food in. And most common people do the whistle, and they know the food's about to come. And my whistle is usually the and they start freaking out. They know food's here. And if you just hand feed them, you can do this. You can have them in your hand. And I know it's hard to show you, but there's 4 of them on this hand. Behind the camera, there's 2 of them on my arm eating food out of the bowl. And there's 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds on me right now. Oh, and there's my Indian fantail. He jumped up on me. So all you gotta do is spend time with your birds. Just spend time with them and you can never go wrong. This one's relentless. I love my birds. Love them. I can sit out here all day. Oh wow, one of my little baby ones jumped up. Cool, he's learning how to fly finally. But all you gotta do is sit out here and you can have birds that jump in your hand. Just a few days ago, that blue bar right there wouldn't come near me. But spend enough time with your birds, you can have this. And obviously you're always going to have those few that want nothing to do with you. No matter how hard you try, it's just not going to happen. Now, if I move all these guys out of the way, let's see, there's so many of them. Get off me. Oh man, there's so many of them, it's hard to fight off. Alright, so let's try this. Hand down on the floor. Got the whole team. That's all it takes is some time. You gotta spend time with these birds as much as you can. Obviously, you're gonna have some thieves that find the food over here. You're gonna have the ones that want to jump on you. But you got the whole crew eating out of my hand. Haven't fed them today yet. Just trying to distract them so I can show you guys without being attacked. But that's one of my little baby ones right there. That's his dad. Obviously, you can tell. My opal. And really, like I said a few times now, is all you gotta do is spend some time with your birds and you can have them just like this. I usually feed them in that, but seeing as I'm showing everyone videos, you can see all the different colors, the variety. We got a lot of white going on, but I just love it. I love it. Just looking at all the different colors, all the little babies right there, there. That's my feisty one right there. Hand raised her. Well, turned out to be a him. He turned into a him. She's my bird. Or he. I'm still not used to calling him he. I called him she for like a year and realized it was a male. But they don't give up. Keep them hungry and you can make these birds do anything you want. Anything you want, you can make these birds do if they're hungry enough. I just thought this would be a cool little video. Not really, nothing to it. Just look at some of my birds and let's look at this one. Little Grizzle. Put the phone down for a second. But little Grizzle right here. 2018. And we got this little one right here. He's a 2018. He was hand-fed by my dad, and so was his brother down there. That one's name is Zipper, because no matter how much you try, that bird will not loft fly. He won't fly around the loft. He'll fly one circle, and then he'll zip into the loft. But you take him on a run, 10 miles, he's usually the top 3 home. So we call him Zipper. And then we got Striker right there. That red, ash red grizzle right there. That one. He came from Illinois, from Ron Deiser. And then we got my niece named him Bread. Interesting about him is, I don't know if you can tell, but let me try and get him close really quick. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I got him. This one right here, he also came from Ron Deiser in Illinois, the same as that one right there. But this one, he got his toe slammed. He got his toe slammed in the door, his middle toe, and we had to amputate it, cut it off with a pair of scissors. Little nub, but I love my birds. I love them. There's nothing better in the world. If I could do this all day, make this my job, I would, and I'm working on it. It just doesn't get, it never gets boring. You always got new babies coming, always have new birds coming. It just doesn't get boring. So I just thought I'd put this short little video together, show you guys some of my birds, some of my pretties. If you liked the video, comment, subscribe. I'll be happy to see more people watching. These videos take a lot longer than you would think to make and to upload and edit and all that good stuff. So it takes a while to make these videos. I gotta give props though. My last video, it had 130 views in the first 6 minutes. 6 minutes, I had 130 views. I don't know, obviously I can't tell who's watching them, but obviously 130 people were watching. So to you guys that watch my how to sex my birds video, thank you. Keep it coming. I'm gonna try and make more entertaining videos. I'm gonna try and come up with some really good ideas for the loft and just make some interesting videos. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Racing for Christ Lofts.